Welcome back to MarkOneModels. Have you ever owned a vehicle that you really liked and over time started creating more and more miniature versions of it? Such is the case with my 1981 Rabbit Sport Truck. A while back, I had shared the video of the 1/32nd scale build, and today we'll be going over the 1/18th scale diecast that I had gotten and converted to look like my sport truck. So I was at a car show and had my truck out on full display and headed over to the swap area. While out there, I found a vendor that had the Solido brand of 1/18th scale Volkswagen Caddy. That's what Rabbit pickups are called in other countries. I grabbed a white one with black interior and plaid seats, and I knew I'd be making it into my sport truck in short order. As this is a European model of the vehicle, it comes with Euro bumpers and round headlights, and I was not going to change those features. For the interior, I created the center gauge console that goes around the shifter. The steering wheel needed to be converted to a 3-spoke from the 2-spoke that it came with, and I added a ring on the center to be the horn button on the truck. The seats had halo headrests, and I just chose to keep them like that for simplicity. Door cards had red trim and chrome accent added where appropriate. Not a complete match to my truck, but good enough. And definitely not my best work, but again, good enough for an on-display and accessory at a car show. We'll get back to the build in just a moment. But I wanted to take a moment to remind you that if you like these videos, feel free to give a like and subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to make sure your notifications are turned on so you won't miss an episode. You can also follow along on our Facebook, Instagram, and Threads pages, and you can find those on the links in the homepage. Now let's get back to the build. For the drivetrain, I kept it basic black on the bottom, and Solido did me a solid by already painting the exhaust, spare tire rim, and spare tire carrier. I did need to grind down the center caps on the wheels to make room for the factory sport truck center caps that I had. For the body, I laid down Tamiya TS8 Italian Red and applied the sport truck decals onto that, which I had made on my computer. The red in the white decals was color matched to the Tamiya red to make things look just right. The lettering on the tailgate was hand painted, and I know I want them to look better on future builds. I finished off the exterior with a tonneau cover I had made from sheet styrene and framed with square styrene rod to keep it in place inside the bed. Overall, I think this one turned out pretty good. Like I said, there are things that I would have liked to have done a bit sharper, a bit cleaner, but it still represents pretty well. As part of my display at car shows, it definitely catches people's attention, and some just assume I bought it that way, so I must be doing something right. What are your thoughts on the build? Is this a project you would have taken on? I'd love to know you in the comments. As always, thank you for watching MarkOneModels.